said very clearly, all the social media platforms are welcome to do business in India because India offers a big digital commercial opportunity also. Facebook has the biggest presence, so has WhatsApp, Twitter is the second and third. But I have said very clearly, India appreciates, acknowledges and respects freedom of ideas on social media. But any abuse of data of Indians to influence the election will not be acceptable. Mark Zuckerberg apologized. Cambridge Analytica issued a notice. They did not respond properly. The matter I have referred to the CBI. Okay. So we have been very tough. And thirdly, most important, any kind of data imperialism will not be acceptable by any company. We believe in equality. We believe India's sovereignty also. If you go like that, surely a proper norm will come. And the Election Commission is equally aware of that. And in no manner whatsoever, the data of Indians shall be allowed to be abused to influence elections.
Since you talked about data, sir, and one of the pending issues that this government has not been able to take forward in this tenure, I would imagine if you do return to power, that will be given priority, if I hear what you're saying today. Data localization and a larger data privacy and data protection bill. Disappointed that you couldn't do it in this tenure?
First of all, if we return to power, remove the if first. Okay?
That's for you to say. I can't make those assertions. Not my place to make those assertions at all. You're free to remove it.
And I must clarify, it is no arrogance. With the utmost humility, the kind of work we have done, people will bless us. Now, data protection law. Sri Krishna committee was there, you know it. Yeah. His report came. We had 4 or 5 rounds of consultations. Consultation with the state governments, their reports, the ministries. All the consultations are complete. One final, I would say, nut and bolts are to be tightened, and then we'll go to the cabinet. Now, the whole world is awaiting India's data protection law, and what we have said, we have come with the idea of a data fiduciary. What is that? You deal with data, but act as a trustee. That is very important. Now, electronic policy we have come about. $1 trillion economy of India to make Indian economy $1 trillion we have come about. So much of work has been done. So I think a little word of appreciation from Shireen Bhan would be okay.